गुड डे फ्रेंड्स। आज का हमारा वीडियो एज प्रॉमिस्ड चैडॉक्स दी वंडर वैक्सीन के ऊपर। इन दिस वीडियो वी shall not only discuss about Chadox vaccine but we shall also discuss about plasma therapy and other drugs which are being tested in the fight against corona. So let us try and understand what is this vaccine all about and also the therapy of plasma. As you are aware, this deadly virus, corona, has taken the world on its knee, and presently we have only three preventive options before us, either in form of using mask, using soaps, and social distancing as the options. And we presently, as you are aware, no vaccines are available. We do not have any drug which can cure this COVID-19. And since the process of development of vaccine is a long drawn process, the effective vaccine is likely to take some more time. But the good news is that we are likely to have this particular Chadox, which may be a ray of light in this time of crisis. The existing strategy to fight this COVID disease comprises of a multi-prong approach comprising of four stages, four types of approaches we are trying to have. One is to repurpose the existing drugs, that means reuse them and test whether they are effective against COVID or not. Similarly, non-drug therapies which are existing, they are to be repurposed, they are trying to be repurposed. The third is we are trying to test existing vaccines like the BCG, and then we have the fourth option of experimenting with the new vaccines, as is the case with Codex 1. So let us see them one by one. The class of existing drugs which are being used or tried and tested for COVID is the hydroxychloroquine, on which we have a detailed video which you can see. While this drug shot into prominence because of the recent tweet by the US president, and India has exported to various countries including USA a huge chunk of this drug to in its fight against COVID. The second drug which is being tested includes the Remdesivir, which is a disease, which is a drug, which is a antiviral drug tested in USA and has shown some positive results. Still, we are far from being of some sort of confirmation on that whether this is really very effective. This drug, so far as US goes, this has been tried and tested earlier also against the Nipah virus and was found to be effective. So that is how this has been again sought into prominence. This drug has been declared as an orphan drug by the Food and Drug Administration of USA, and you can see the Gilead Sciences, which is the pharmaceutical company developing it or which has the patent for it, is trying to the threat is that it might price this particular vaccine at a slightly higher range. So similarly, you have got Jakavi, which is a Novartis medicine, and this is used to treat autoimmune diseases. One of such autoimmune diseases is diabetes, in which the patient's own immune system starts functioning against it. So these are the medicines apart from other medicines which are being tested for their effectiveness against COVID. Let us come to the second class of approach which is being undertaken, which means that we are trying to test those therapies which can be effective and which have been earlier effective against the viruses. One of which is the most popular plasma therapy, which is being talked about nowadays. This particular therapy, the plasma therapy, has been used earlier against the SARS, the MERS, the Ebola viruses, and have been to some extent found useful and effective. Now, in this particular therapy, what is done is blood from the recovered patient is taken, and it is then used to extract the plasma component using the blood fractionalization, and then this is transfused into the COVID patient. If we look at the component of the blood, so plasma is just one part of four important components of the blood, but this is 55%. So प्लाज्मा 55% होता है, 55% होता है पूरे ब्लड में. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस प्लाज्मा आरबीसी इज द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट 41%. अगर हम बात करें प्लाज्मा की, तो प्लाज्मा is important for the transport of nutrients, hormones and proteins, and it is basically when you extract it, it appears like a yellow or straw colored liquid. 90% of this plasma is water, but the remaining components include protein molecules like albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. Fibrinogen, you all are aware, is useful in the clotting of blood whenever we suffer from an injury. Similarly, it also contains the antibody, which is of particular use so far as the fight against COVID goes. So in the third class of strategy that we are adopting, we are trying to test the effectiveness of existing vaccines like the BCG vaccine in the fight against corona. We have a separate video that you might have already seen, and if you have missed it, then you can just go and see that video on the BCG vaccine and its use in fight against corona. Let us come to the last approach, in which the experimental vaccines are being tried and tested, because the experimental vaccines are those which are to be tried. A special protocol is there, and that is a bit of time consuming exercise. So under this class will fall the ChAdOx 1, which is being developed by the Oxford University. Similar vaccines are also being tried and tested, but they are slightly lagging behind this ChAdOx. And as you can see, mRNA, INO and NVX, these are the other important ones which are being tried and tested. So let us come to our ChAdOx, the particular topic of ChAdOx. You see, ChAdOx is being developed by the Oxford Jenner Institute, and this particular drug, this particular vaccine that is being developed, the work had started in January 2020 itself, and the trials are being conducted. The clinical trials have started on 23rd of April this year. So you can see that just 3 months back the entire work has started. The chief researcher for this is Sarah Gilbert, and who is a prominent researcher and has great experience in the field of what is known as the influenza virus and all other emerging viral pathogens. She is having a good experience of that. Coming back to the vaccine itself, what is the content of this vaccine? This vaccine comprises of a weakened version, attenuated version of the adenovirus derived from chimpanzees, right? And then this is then genetically modified so that it does not adversely affect the human beings, on which it will be tried and tested, and which will be subsequently consumed by the human beings. तो इसमें हम करते क्या है कि जो एडिनोवायरस which has been modified tries to break down the chain by sticking to the spike glycoprotein of the coronavirus. You can see in this picture the spike glycoprotein of the coronavirus is responsible for the transmission of the disease, because it is through this that the virus sends the genetic material, the RNA, to the human cells, and then orders it to produce the further similar proteins which is infecting the individuals. The clinical trials which has already begun, and these are important because to ensure that the subject vaccine is safe and is able to induce good amount of immunity in the person on whom it is administered. The second point is that this important trial which is being conducted, clinical trial, has been named recovery trials, and we have got quite good number of volunteers for this purpose. Then coming to the completion of this, so it is likely that by May 2020 it will be completed. So far as the entire stages of development of a vaccine goes, you can see it is a long drawn process and has 6 stages, starting from the exploratory stage, the preclinical stage, the clinical stage, the regulatory review, and then the approval, then large scale manufacturing, and subsequently the quality control. So this, even if all these stages are of 2 or 3 months time, the entire span becomes 18 months or so. तो 18 महीने लग जाते हैं इसको करने में. इस पूरे 6 स्टेजेस का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेज होता है क्लिनिकल ट्रायल. और इन दिस क्लिनिकल ट्रायल विच इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 कंपोनेंट्स, 3 कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं इसके. पहले फेज में इस किसी भी वैक्सीन की इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड ऑन अ स्मॉल ग्रुप टू चेक वेदर इट इज effective or not and whether it is safe or not. Secondly, the second phase is regarding testing the not only the safety but also how much amount of the drug is to be given, the dose size, and what is the immunization schedule, whether it is to be given once or twice. So this is on a larger group of volunteers. And the third stage, which is the critical stage, in which the side effects, rare side effects which may not be appearing in a small group of population, is tested and trial. So these are the 3 stages. And what is so important about ChAdOx is that this vaccine is likely to be ready by 2020, and this will definitely help us in fight against corona. So let us see what is the second advantage. The second advantage is ki this is a single dose vaccine, no second dose would be required, and because of the fact that the clinical trials have already started and likely to be completed soon, and concurrently the manufacturing process has also begun. They are so confident about it. So a good news for the world which is already suffering from COVID-19. So let us hope for the best, and perhaps ChAdOx may end our wait for a effective vaccine against COVID-19. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Thank you very much for watching. Do share and subscribe, and also follow on us Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks a lot.